Alright. So yeah, hi guys, the update for today is in quants I completed simultaneous linear equations. I just the easy ones and just the slightly mid-level questions of that and skipped all the hard questions. I watched the videos but I didn't practice them. The videos also went above my head. And apart from that, I also completed integer solutions, the one which ax plus or minus ay is equal to c, the one where we have to find the total number of whole numbers, natural numbers, yeah, like that question. That complete the whole thing. I have to practice those questions. Yeah. Apart from that, I am doing DI in LRDI. It's quite fun, but at the same time, it's very calculation intensive, and I don't like it. But the questions are fun, the puzzles are fun, so it's going well, I think. And apart from that, not much VA today, VRC, but I will make sure I will do that before I go to sleep. And yeah, that is it for today, guys. Apart from that, I am planning, I in algebra I will not do the practice questions and just do the theory part, and after doing the theory part I will do the practice questions. Let's see if I continue with this or not. I hope it's not a good strategy. Let's see how it goes. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.